Welcome back. A crucial first step in any data analysis project is getting a quick overview of your data's statistical properties. Pandas provides a powerful single method for this, the .describe method. This lecture will show you how to use .describe to generate descriptive statistics for numerical data in a series, and what happens when you use it on string data. 1. .describe on numerical data. When applied to a series containing numerical data, the .describe method returns a new series containing 8 key statistical measures. These include the count of non-null values, the mean, the standard deviation, the minimum and maximum values, and the quartile values, the 25th, 50th, and 75th percentiles. This provides an excellent snapshot of the data's distribution and potential outliers. 2. .describe on object or string data. When applied to non-numerical data like strings, .describe returns a different set of summary statistics relevant to categorical data. These typically include the count, the unique count, the top or most frequent value, and its frequency. This is useful for understanding the diversity and distribution of categories within your dataset. 3. Calculating individual statistics. While .describe is great for a quick overview, you can also access any of the individual statistics directly using dedicated methods on the series object, such as .mean, .median, .max, and .min. These methods return a single scalar value. To summarize, .describe is your go-to function for initial data profiling. Now that we understand the series, we are going to move on to the primary data structure of Pandas, the DataFrame. Our next lecture 36.08, DataFrame. See you there.